Chit Chat English.
Can you believe it's almost New Year?
I know. This year went so fast.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year to you too.
I hope 2025 is full of happiness for you.
And for you too. I hope all your dreams come true this year.
Thank you. What's your wish for 2025?
I wish for health, happiness. What's yours?
I wish for peace, love, and more laughter.
Beautiful wishes. You deserve all of that and more.
Thanks, Liam.
Do you have any plans for the new year?
Not really. What about you?
I want to make a resolution.
What's your resolution?
Maybe to exercise more. How about you?
Maybe to travel.
Travel? Where do you want to go?
Japan.
Oh, nice. Why Japan?
I love the food, the culture.
That sounds amazing. When will you go?
Maybe in spring. Do you have any big plans?
I want to learn something new.
Like what?
Maybe painting or taking pictures.
Great! Will you watch fireworks this year?
Yes. What about you?
Maybe I'll come with you.
Great. Fireworks are better with friends.
True. Do you believe in New Year, New Me?
Not really. What about you?
I think it's nice to think about new starts.
Yes, it is. Do you think next year will be better?
I hope so. Do you?
I think it will be.
Any New Year traditions in your family?
We eat 12 grapes at midnight. You?
We make noise with pots and pans.
That sounds fun. What's your favorite New Year snack?
Cheese. What's yours?
Chocolate, for sure.
Are you staying up until midnight?
Yes, of course.
Do you ever feel nervous about a new year starting?
A little. It's because we don't know what's coming.
Yeah. But that's also what makes it exciting, right?
True. It's like opening a book and not knowing the story yet.
Exactly. And we get to write that story day by day.
New year, new chances.
I love that. It's so hopeful.
So, Emma, what's the first thing you'll do on January 1st?
Sleep in. I always stay up too late on New Year's Eve. Then I'll make a big breakfast, pancakes, eggs, everything.
Good. Do you write down your goals for the year?
I've tried, but I always lose the list. Do you?
Yes. I keep a journal. It helps me stay focused.
What's one goal you're writing down for 2025?
To take care of myself. Eat better, rest more.
That's a good goal.
I hope I enjoy life more, not just work or worry.
That's important. Life is too short.
Yes. I want to find balance in 2025.
What's one fun thing you want to do this year?
Skydiving.
Skydiving? Are you serious?
Yes. It's on my bucket list.
That's so brave. I could never do it.
You could. I'll take you with me.
No way. I'd scream the whole time.
That's the fun part.
You're crazy. I'll try something safer, like a new hobby.
What hobby?
Cooking. I want to learn how to make desserts.
I know you'll do great.
Thanks, Liam. You always support me.
That's what friends are for. What are you thankful for this year?
I'm thankful for the people in my life, like you.
Ah, thanks. I'm thankful for you too.
Happy New Year, Liam.
Happy New Year, Liam. Let's make it the best year yet.